Hello, my name is Daniel Gonzalez. Welcome back. In this video, I'm painting a portrait of my wife Jackie with Dancer, a horse that my parents had. I sanded down this linen panel so I could use it again. It was the start of a plein air painting that I wasn't really happy with, and I'm just recycling it. You can see here I'm blocking things in with a bigger brush and trying to distinguish certain elements. I'm not painting the background in yet because I don't want to paint what's in the photo for the background, so I'm going to have to imagine some sort of landscape to paint later. When I was painting Dancer, I was really surprised at how much purple I saw in her coat, and I guess that's the thing about painting. Even though Dancer is a sorrel horse and you can tell she's brown, you can put almost any color down as long as the value's right and you understand the form. I think that's one of the fun things about painting, is you can have a lot of fun with color. I turned the panel upside down here to let the paint drip for some of the trees in the background. I also splatter some paint on. That's just part of my process. I really like for the paint to be paint and for it to do its thing with drips and splatters and, to help it build up bulk, to show texture and such. I was lucky enough to grow up on a farm with several animals, including pigs, chickens, turkeys, dogs, cats, horses, cows, and my parents, they have really big hearts and they try and be good stewards of the land and give good homes to these creatures. And I think Dancer was a rescue horse, if I remember correctly. Anyway, a gentle soul that really lived a good life out there. I think that's part of the reason why I chose this photograph, this interaction between Jackie and Dancer. Just brushing a horse, a gentle touch, showing care, and a positive relationship with an animal. You can see how I got that bush there. I just thought it was too big and I ended up repainting the hooves. I'm imagining the landscape. I'm using a photo reference for the horse and for Jackie, but the landscape's imagined. Trying to create an ambient, overcast light situation with no strong contrasting highlights or shadows. This is a nice little study, and I hope you enjoyed watching me paint it. If you appreciate my video, go ahead and like it and share it and all that. I will continue to make good content, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Thanks.